Hello everyone, today I am going to be filming a part 2 of a video that I filmed, I think it was like about a year ago now. I basically did a video where I followed my lookalikes makeup routine. It turns out I have more than one lookalike, so today we're going to be doing that again, but with a different person. So in the first video that I did, I picked a girl that I'd had quite a lot of comments saying that I look like, but once I actually made the video, I then got quite a lot of comments saying I looked nothing like her. So it was very like 50-50. Some people were like, yeah, you look the same, and some people were like, you really don't. But I did get a lot of comments saying that I actually look like someone else instead. And honestly, with this person, I kind of see it. In the first one, I didn't really see it, but this one, I can kind of see it. So for today's video, I'm going to be following the makeup routine of a girl called, how could I forget? She's called Ali. She is called Ali. And you guys know, well, you might not, but I call my boyfriend Alex Ali. So this is gonna be really weird. Every time I refer to her as Ali, it's gonna be like I'm talking about my boyfriend. Her name is Ali Glines or Ali Glins. But yeah, she is a makeup YouTuber. She also has like a makeup Instagram page. And I've basically picked one of her little Instagram makeup routine videos to follow today. And just like the girl in the last video, Ali is beautiful. It just feels like I'm talking about my boyfriend. I mean, my boyfriend is also beautiful, but this Ali is also beautiful, so I am very flattered that people think I look like her. So the video that I've chosen to follow is actually from a couple of years ago. I was just kind of scrolling through her Instagram videos, and I feel like this one most looked like me, and Alex agreed as well, so I've decided to go for this one, even though it is from quite a long time ago. And yeah, that is why I've done my hair like this. I feel like she's got a slightly side part, like it's slightly off to the side, so yeah, that's why I've done that. And then her hair is also, it's not curly but it's not straight, it's just kind of got a bit of a wave to it, so I've tried to replicate that as best as I can. I feel like our hair does look really similar. What else? Oh, I've done my nails gold because that's the colour that she has in the video, you'll see in a minute. And then I've also put on a little jumper. I didn't have a khaki jumper. Oh, and I've also done my eyebrows already because I noticed that she's done her eyebrows before the video. So the first thing she's doing is she's taking her Revolution Conceal and Define foundation. I so almost still had that. I threw it away quite recently. Well, yeah, I probably wouldn't have been able to use it anyway. I threw it away because it had all kind of, what's the word? Separated. It had all separated, so I don't have that one anymore. I have the Revolution Conceal and Hydrate foundation. I mean, they're kind of similar. This one's probably a little bit more kind of hydrate, obviously, it says it in the name, but it's a bit more luminous, so I'll just mattify it with powder. It will be fine. So she then shows the little foamy applicator, but this one doesn't have that. This has got a pump applicator. That is so annoying. I want to be identical. I mean, I could use the applicator from the concealer. I just want it to look identical for the thumbnail, so I'm going to do that. Okay, so I've got a bit of foundation on the sponge, and then she basically starts off by doing a line down there, and then another line down there, and then she just blends it all out with a sponge, so I'm just going to do that as well. Same as last time, you guys will have to let me know if there are any other YouTubers, any other celebrities or people that you think I look like, and maybe I can do another one of these. Maybe next year I'll do another one. I feel like I get a lot of comments saying I look like different people. There's one that I always get and I just don't see it. I don't know her name, but I get a lot of comments saying, are you the blue-eyed girl from Troom Troom? And I'm always like, what is Troom Troom? And I look it up and I'm like, oh yeah, I remember. It's like a YouTube channel. And apparently I look like the blue-eyed girl, which is strange because I don't have blue eyes, but I think I look like I have blue eyes on camera, but I actually have green eyes. Wait, what's Ali got? Hers look blue. I think hers are blue. Yeah, mine look blue on camera, but they are green, I swear. But yeah, do let me know if you can think of any others because these videos are really fun. I feel like I'm a little bit paler than she is, like definitely a little bit paler. I thought she looked quite fair skinned, so I was like, I'm not going to tan for this video, but now I'm thinking I probably could have done with a little bit of tan because yeah, I'm very pale. Oh yeah, I've just filled my eyebrows in a little bit more and I made them a little bit longer because I noticed that her eyebrows were quite long. So hopefully they look a little bit more similar now. But I'm now going to move on to concealer. So she takes the Revolution Conceal and Define. Wait, is it? Yeah. Yeah, so I have the exact same concealer here and I'm just going to apply it the same way that she does. So she does under her eyes a little bit like that, I think. She also does the little lines on her forehead. I feel like a lot of Instagram makeup people do this little 3-line thing. And then she does a little bit on her chin, a little bit there. Oh, that was a little bit too much. And then she just blends it all out with her sponge. She has a nice sponge. Hers is like a nice... What am I saying? I don't even like the colour green, but it looks like quite a nice green colour. It's like a minty green. I've got I cannot get my words out today. I've got my usual orange one, as you can very well see. I don't think I need to point that out. Okay, Ali, what's next? Again, I have the exact same product. She takes the Revolution Lace Baking Powder. So she just takes a bit of that on her sponge. I'm gonna get this everywhere. I haven't used loose powder in a while, actually. There's a reason for that. I'm so incredibly messy with it. Like, actually, I can't remember the last time. Okay, let's try and be nice and tidy. So I'm going to tap a little bit out on the pot. Okay, so far I haven't got any anywhere. It's going well. And then she just pats that under her eyes. I'm pretty sure that's the only place she puts it. That's the only place she shows it. Or so far it is. I did it! I was successful at using loose powder and it didn't go everywhere, honestly. I'm a changed woman, because back in the day, this would be all over my lap right now. Okay, so she does actually put some on the rest of her face as well. She takes quite a small brush. When I do powder, I use quite a big brush, but she's got quite a small one. I'm going to use that just to powder the rest of my face. Oh no, that means I've got to get some more out. You're actually kidding me. We're just going to pretend that didn't happen. No, I still have not made a mess. Not at all, none. So I'm just going to take a bit of this and I'm just going to dust it. Well, she's just kind of putting it around here. Wow. Okay, so next she's taking a bit of bronzer. I think it's at this point that I don't have the same products as her. So I've just found the most similar products that I have. So for bronzer, she takes a bronzer by the brand Thrive Cosmetics. I don't think we have that in the UK. But yeah, like I said, I don't have that one. So I'm just going to take my Urban Decay Beached Bronzer. I feel like they look quite similar. It's like, I can't open it. I was going to say they're both in circle packaging, so they look kind of similar, but they're also both quite light, I'd say. Hopefully that'll do something similar, and then I'm going to use a brush like this. She's gone for quite a big brush for her bronzer, so I feel like that is probably a similar size. It's just mine has a hair on it, hers doesn't. So yeah, I'm just going to take a little bit of that and tap, tap, tap. Let's see where she puts it. Probably like in the usual place, but we better check just in case. So yeah, I'm just going to dust a little bit down here, up and round, and then she also kind of went like that as well. I never do that actually. It also looks like she doesn't do too much, like she's gone for a very subtle bronzer. It's not like a super chiseled contour look, it's more like just a subtle dusting of bronzer. So I'm just trying to replicate that as best I can. Oh, my hair is honestly getting on my tits. Should I just put my cat ears on? No. We're going to be like Ali, we're not putting ears on. I don't know how she does it, honestly. She's making it look so easy without getting any hair in her face, whereas I'm just like... So for blush, she uses the Flower Beauty Flower Pots blush. And again, I don't have that. I'm not even sure if we have that brand in the UK either. But it looks like a very peachy toned blush. So I'm just going to use my L'Oreal Life's a Peach blush. I really should bin this. I've had it for so many years, but it keeps coming in handy in videos. So yeah, it no longer smells like peaches. It now smells moldy peaches. It doesn't smell great, I'm not gonna lie. I really need to get rid of this. This is the last time I'm gonna use it. If you ever see this again in a video, tell me off. I've got to get rid of it. But I feel like it looks quite similar. It's a very similar shade, and it's even got like a kind of flowery marking on it, which that one does as well. So they're very similar. I've just remembered I'm meant to be talking quietly because Alex is asleep and I'm really not. Whoops. So it looks like she's taking one of these little brushes again, like a little angled brush. So I'm just going to take that. So she just pops it across like that. Also, I never normally use a peachy blush. I normally go for a lot more of like a pinky colour, as you guys know. So this is definitely quite different for me. For highlighter, she's using the Natasha Denona Super Glow Highlighter. I feel like my Ofra Glaze Donut is quite similar, although hers kind of looks like an ombre effect. It goes, or is that just the shadow? That might just be the shadow. I feel like this is quite similar, maybe a little bit lighter, but I've used this brush because I feel like that looks really similar. She's just using like a little tapered brush. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of that. And then same again on the other side. Oh no, she don't bring it up here, I don't think. She just kind of does it in a straight line. It doesn't look like she puts it anywhere else, like no inner corners, no end of nose, just some little bits like that and we're done. Honestly, I like this girl. She's keeping it very simple. She's making it very easy for me. I like her. What is next? I think it's eyeshadow next. I can't actually remember what look she goes for. So she's using a Revolution eyeshadow palette. This is the Emily Edit and it says The Want on it. I'm guessing that's what it's called. I don't have that either. I'm sorry, I don't have that. But I do have quite a few Revolution eyeshadow palettes. So I feel like we can probably recreate the look. I hope so anyway, otherwise that's the video ruined. I feel like this is kind of similar. It's got some similar colours in it. The one that she's used is quite a sort of pinky purpley palette. And I feel like this one is also like that. This is the Revolution Pro New Neutral Luxe Shadow Palette. So she starts off with a little fluffy brush and she's just taken a kind of warm bronzy colour. So I think I'm just gonna start with this one down here. I think that's quite similar. Yeah, that'll do. I'm just gonna take a little bit of this and then she just puts that. Where does she put that? Yeah, she just puts it through her crease. So she just kind of like sweeps it back and forth like this. Guys, I'm gonna try really hard with this eyeshadow look. I want it to actually look good. Oh no, I've jinxed it. Whenever I say that, it goes tits up. Tits up? Is that a saying? There's a lot of sayings with tits in them, isn't it? I always say getting on my tits. And then, yeah, it's going tits up. Yeah, it is a saying. Oh my goodness. So many tits. Does she have hooded eyes? I don't think she does. So I guess our eyes are quite different. Although, yeah, no, she doesn't. Maybe a tiny bit, but nowhere near like mine. Okay, she then takes like a dark purple, which is really different for me. I don't think have I ever done purple eyeshadow? I'm really not sure. If I have, it was a long time ago. But she takes a very dark purple. It looks quite similar. I'm just gonna take a little bit of that on a slightly smaller fluffy brush, I think. This is where it's all gonna go wrong. And then she basically puts that in her sort of outer bit. Oh my goodness. We can do this. We can do this. So I'm just kind of like patting it on. Oh no. Hers looks so much better than mine. I mean, obviously though. Of course it's gonna look better, but like, this is looking messy. No, that's way worse. That's way worse. That's way worse. That is way worse. Oh, that looks a bit better. Okay, I'm just gonna work in a little bit more of the perp because I feel like she's got a lot more purple than I have. It goes across a bit farther, but my goodness, it is hard to blend. Wow. Okay, so next she takes a kind of pinky, like, well, not pink, it's like a really dark pink color, and it's quite a shimmery shade. So I think the most similar one that I've got is probably this one here. I know it's kind of more on the purple side. If I swatch it on my finger, it does look exactly like that color. So that's quite similar, right? I think we'll be okay. And then she takes that on a little kind of flat brush like this, and then she basically just puts it on the kind of outer bit of her lid, and then also she puts a shimmer underneath. Ooh, this looks so nice. Wait, does it look like the same color? It's not too dissimilar. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's fallen out all over my face. Okay, we'll deal with that at the end. I'm also going to put a bit on my underneath bit, although I've already got loads there where it's fallen out. Oh, that is all going in my eyeball. And then same again on the other side. Do you know what? I feel like this might end up looking all right. It's not going to be perfect, but I think it might be okay. And then she also takes a very kind of pale purple, almost like a lilac color. I feel like the one she's using might be slightly shimmery, but the best I can do is use this, which is very much the same kind of color. I think it's really spot on, but this is matte. Unless I mix it with like, oh, I don't know. Oh, actually, this is kind of like a shimmery lilac. Maybe I'll sort of mix those a little bit. I don't know. I'm basically just going to take, dropped a brush. I'm basically just going to take that on another little flat brush. This is like an even smaller one. She puts that on the sort of inner bit of her lid, like basically the last bit left that hasn't got anything on it. So yeah, just a little bit in this bit here, just to sort of finish off the lid. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. I mean, I feel like it's kind of working. It looks kind of like what she did. Okay, so that is my eyeshadow done. I could definitely do with blending out the matte shades a little bit more, but I'm honestly scared that I'm going to mess it up because I feel like it does look quite similar to hers. I mean, hers looks so much better and so much neater, but I feel like I've done a pretty good job at replicating it, considering I barely do eyeshadow these days, like even less than normal. I barely ever do it. That is that. I'm now going to move on to mascara. I don't think she doesn't do fake eyelashes either. Ali, you're amazing. Ali's gonna hear me upstairs and be like, oh, someone's saying nice things about me. No, sorry. This Ali. So for mascara, she takes the, Koki Cosmetics Volume and Length Mascara. I have never heard of that brand either. So yeah, I don't have that one. I mean, it says volume and length, so I'm just gonna take my usual Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara. I feel like this one is probably the most voluminous and lengthening one that I have. I feel like it actually looks like a similar, it looks like such a similar wand to the one that she's using. So yeah, I'm just gonna take a bit of that. I'll do this bit off camera, I won't bore you. I'll be back in a sec. Okay, so my mascara is done. I've just noticed that this girl has some nice eyelashes. Like, hers are so long. Right, I'm now gonna move on to my lips. So she takes the e.l.f. Cosmetics Sheer Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Praline. I can never say that word. Is it Praline or Praline? Praline Petal, I think that's how you say it. So again, I don't have that one, but I think I've got a really similar shade. So I've got this one from one of Roxy's collaborations with Revolution. It is in the shade Tokyo, and it's a matte liquid lipstick, so I think it should be similar. That one was a matte one, right? I think it was a matte one. I mean, it looks like a really similar shade. It's just that kind of darkish pinky colour. That is a smooth application. I feel like hers are a little bit darker, so I have got a lip liner here. It looks like almost darker in these bits, so I think I might just add a bit of darker lip liner in the corners. That is her makeup done. I'm just gonna sort my hair out and make it look a little bit like hers in the sort of ending clips, and then we can see side by side if we look the same. Okay, so she's got one side of her hair still over her shoulder, and then she's kind of got her hand there. But yeah, what do you guys think? Do we look similar at all? Are there any similarities? Do we look the same? Do we look like we could be sisters or twins? Let me know down below what you guys think. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me just shuffle back across. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a big thumbs up if you did. I'll see you very soon. Oh, also, wait. If you don't already, go and follow Ali over on her Instagram or on her YouTube, or subscribe to her YouTube. I'll leave her links down below. Hopefully, if she comes across this, she doesn't mind that I've done it. Hopefully, she's not creeped out. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you very soon. Goodbye.